Hey everyone, Selena here from Rick's Review Hub, and today I'm pumped to dive into the MAGIC SEAL MS300 Precision Vacuum Sealer. If you're all about keeping your food fresh for longer or prepping meals like a pro, this machine might just steal your heart. Stick around as we break down its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get started. So what makes the MAGIC SEAL MS300 stand out? First off, it's a commercial-grade vacuum sealer with a powerful double pump, meaning it can handle heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. It's got two modes, chamber mode for textured bags and nozzle mode for smooth bags, including Mylar bags, perfect for long-term food storage like freeze-dried goodies. The 8mm wide seal bar is a game changer, giving you strong, moisture-proof seals every time. Plus, it's 12 inches long, so you can seal bigger bags with ease. You can switch between automatic one-touch operation or manual mode to control vacuum pressure and sealing time, which is awesome for delicate foods or liquids. And here's the kicker. It has a built-in auto-cooling fan, so you can keep sealing up to 400 cycles without overheating. Oh, and it even has a bag cutter built in for quick resizing. No scissors needed. Now let's talk about pros. This thing is versatile, working with both smooth and textured bags, including Mylar, which is rare for a sealer in this price range. The wide seal ensures your food stays fresh for ages, and the cooling system makes it ideal for bulk sealing sessions. It's also user-friendly, with adjustable settings for different foods, and customers rave about its consistent, clean seals. I love that it can handle moist foods without messing up the seal, which is a big win for meal preppers. But no product's perfect, right? The cons: it doesn't have an on-off switch, so you'll need to plug and unplug it to power it down. Some users also wish it had a cord storage solution, as the cord can get a bit bulky when storing. Lastly, while it's compact for a commercial-grade machine, it's still larger than your average home sealer, so you'll need some counter space. So, should you buy the MAGIC SEAL MS300? If you're serious about food storage, meal prep, or even home brewing, yep, it's great for sealing hops and grains. This sealer is a fantastic pick. The versatility, power, and durability make it worth considering, especially if you want to save money on bulk buys or keep your pantry stocked for the long haul. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for what it offers, it's a solid investment. All right, folks, if you're ready to level up your food storage game, check out the MAGIC SEAL MS300 using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've got going on at Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more honest reviews to help you shop smarter. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.